Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to do bike insurance or two-wheeler insurance on Policy Bazar. So friends, at first we have to open Policy Bazar. You'll see here Policy Bazar, and then we have to open the Policy Bazar website. So you see this is the website https://www.policybazar.com. So you just need to open the website. And then at first you have to create your account. Just click on sign in and then click sign up button here to create an account, and then enter your mobile number here and then click proceed button. Now you have to enter the OTP that you get in your mobile number, and then confirm the OTP. So your account is created. Now you can easily purchase the insurance. Now you have to click on two-wheeler insurance, and then here you have to enter your bike registration number, and then click view prices. As you see here, these are the various prices, and you must take this option personal accident cover. If it is unchecked, you will see the different price, less price. See, this is the less price. Now remember, you must take personal accident cover. And then you have to select the insurance company. See, this is 939,989. This is 1064, 1014. So this is the list price. So I just want to purchase this insurance company's policy. So just click on here, and here we have to enter your name, which I have already entered, and here we have to enter your mobile number. Your mobile number will appear here automatically, and your email ID. You have to enter your email ID. In this step, communication address, you have to enter your address, and here your district and state, and then PIN number, and then click on continue to step 2, and then you have to enter your nominee name here, and then the relation with your nominee, and then you have to enter here your nominee age, then click continue to step 3. In this case, you have to enter your engine number, bike engine number, and then in this step you have to enter your bike chassis number, and then you have to enter your expiry date of your current bike insurance policy, and registration date. It will detect automatically the registration date. After that, you have to click save and proceed. You can also edit these options personal details by clicking on this edit button, and vehicle add policy and policy details, this option, and you will see your GST is 169 rupees. You have to pay extra 169 rupees, and your total is 1108 rupees. And you must have to confirm this agreement. I agree to the terms and conditions. You just need to click on this checkbox, and then again you have to click on this checkbox. I confirm that my two-wheeler is already re-registered, and then see pay, and then we will see pay securely is enabled now. Now we can easily pay. Just click on this pay securely button. And this is the payment option. Choose payment mode. You can pay using your debit card, credit card, net banking, UPI wallet, etc. So I just want to pay with my ATM card, that is the debit card. So I already entered my, so I already used my ATM card, debit card. So this option appears. Simply I just select this option. So card number appears, and then here you have to enter your card. Then here you have to enter your name. See expiry date already appeared here, and then here you have to enter the CVV number. You will see the CVV number on the back side of your debit card or ATM. Just enter this, and then you have to click on pay button. And then here you will have to enter the OTP that you will receive. And then here you have to enter the OTP that you will receive in your registered mobile number. And now click on make payment. Now you are done. You purchased the two-wheeler insurance policy. And now here you have to upload your RC. Will be issued after your documents are verified. You can see the proposal. So friends, in this way you can purchase a two-wheeler insurance from policybazar.com. So thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.